Hello and welcome to Code Squad. Today we will learn about how to master coding easily and effectively. In today's digital age, coding has become an essential skill that can open up a world of opportunities. However, many people face challenges when it comes to learning how to code. In this video, we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you overcome these challenges and learn coding easily and effectively. The first step to learning coding is to start with the basics. It's important to understand the fundamental concepts of coding before moving on to more complex topics. You can start with simple programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages are easy to learn and will give you a solid foundation to build upon. The key to mastering coding is practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. You can start by working on small projects and gradually move on to more complex ones. There are many online resources available that offer coding challenges and exercises to help you improve your skills. Joining a coding community can be a great way to learn coding. You can connect with other coders, ask for help, and share your knowledge. There are many online communities like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Reddit where you can find like-minded individuals who are passionate about coding. Online courses are a great way to learn coding. There are many platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and edX that offer courses on various programming languages. These courses are designed by experts and offer a structured learning experience that can help you learn coding effectively. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Coding is a trial and error process, and making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Learning coding can be challenging, but with the right approach, it can also be a rewarding experience. By starting with the basics, practicing regularly, joining a coding community, taking online courses, and not being afraid to make mistakes, you can learn coding easily and effectively. We hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.